are going to love the 2020 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.